Guys, so today I'm going to show you how to open Power Query in Excel. Now this is your Excel workbook and there is a sheet called Order Sheet. Assume you want to open this sheet in Power Query and transform it. You go to your Data tab. There's a tab called Data, just as you can see right here. You click on Get Data. From File, you open the data that you want to load to Power Query. Click open the data I want to load to Power Query. So this is the data I want to Power Query. You click on it, you import. So as you can see, it's saying establishing connection. So you just wait for a while for the connection to be fully established. And Yola, you would see a dialog box called Navigator. You select the table that applies to you. In this case, we are going to be downloading the orders table. So this is it here. You click on transform data, not load. You transform and automatically it takes you to the Power Query platform from Excel. So yeah, we have our data here. You can rename this data to orders. You carry out several transformations you want to carry out on Power Query, and then you close and load. So yeah, you can carry out transformation like changing the title, changing the date, changing the formatting style, and Yola. So you click on close and load, and this is it here. We have our orders table after we have closed on Power Query. Now another way in which you can load to Power Query from Excel, go to your data tab again, you click on get data, you click on launch Power Query editor. So you would get to Power Query from here. If you also want to load another kind of data into Power Query, you click on from your home tab on the Power Query, you click on new sources, you click on file, Excel workbook, if Excel workbook is what you want. So we are going to be importing this data set called about Power Query. So this is the sheet. Oh, it's empty. All right, let's go back and import any data sets from Power Query. Okay, so let's load this data called load data into Power Query. So yeah, you can still go back and load another data into Power Query. Click on OK and click on close. So there you have it. You have your data. So if you want to go back to Power Query, if you're already in Excel, you will see a tab towards your left or your right rather that says queries and connection. You have transform in Power Query. We have here, and you want to go back to Power Query. This is your query. This is your connection. Double click on the orders table. If you double click on it, it automatically opens Power Query for you. So yeah, thank you very much. I hope you like this video and I hope you know how to navigate from Power Query